Good morning, children. So in first part we saw that how peacock got beautiful rainbow color. So when peacock said that we must look different, we must look colorful in tiger's wedding. So crow simply he used his paint and made peacock so colorful, and his tail means just like put some gems in his tail. And when after coloring, peacock went to the pool. There is nearby pool. So when he went to pool and looked himself, so he was so much happy. When he saw himself in that water, so he was so much happy and so much excited. So he said, "Oh, how beautiful I look." He never thought that he will look this much beautiful. So when he saw himself in that pool, in that water of pool, so he exclaimed, "Oh, how beautiful I look. My tail look like it is covered with precious gems." Gems means precious stones, जिसको हम हीरे कहते हैं, पन्ना कहते हैं. So he was so much happy and he said that my tail is looking like put some precious gems on it. The peacock felt so proud, children, that he started dancing in joy. Whenever we are so much happy, so we want to dance. So like that, peacock was so much happy and he started dance. Then peacock, my friend, said the crow. Crow was also very happy looking at him. But then he said, "Peacock, my friend, now it is time for you to paint my feathers. Now it is your turn. You promised me after coloring you will color me. So please start your work." But the peacock didn't listen. He was so much proud, and because of his proudness, he didn't listen to the crow. He was feeling very proud, and he was proud of his colorful feathers. He was so much proud of his colorful feathers. He didn't want anyone else to be as beautiful. He thought of a plan. And he was one plan, such a plot in his mind, because he was little bit proud. And because of his proudness, that he started to think one plan in his mind, because he didn't want anyone else to look beautiful as like him. वो बिल्कुल नहीं चाहता था कि कोई उसकी तरह सुंदर दिखे. So उसने एक प्लान बनाया. He thought of a plan. "Oh, crow," said the peacock, "we are in danger. Didn't you hear the eagle's cry?" Although there was no eagle's cry, वहाँ कोई भी ईगल नहीं था. But he said he want to frighten crow. So he said that, "Oh crow, we are in danger. Did you hear eagle's cry? He will attack us and kill us. We must run away from here. We must run away. Otherwise he will kill us. अगर हम यहाँ से नहीं भागे तो वो हमको मार डालेगा. Let's run from here." The peacock pretended to be in a hurry. Crow didn't understand why he sang like that, because he didn't hear any eagle's cry. And peacock started running here and there. Pretended means ढोंग कर रहा था वो. false show करना, ढोंग करना. वहाँ पर कोई भी ईगल नहीं था बच्चों. So he pretended to be in a hurry. He started running up and down. He started running up and down. because he thought that plan, and that plan is working in his mind. In his hurry, he knocked over all the cans of paints. और इस चक्कर में उसने सारे के सारे जो पेंट के कैंस थे उनको लुढ़का दिया. Only one can was left, all other were spilled into the pool of water. Spilled, लुढ़का दिया उसने और सारा पेंट उस वाटर में, उस पानी में, उस पुल में बह गया. I didn't hear and cry. Crow said. Crow was so much surprised because there was no cry. So he said, I didn't hear any cry. Then there is no danger. Because he stopped his plan. He started and ended up. So he said now, and he was inside in his mind, he was so much happy. Because he fulfilled his plan. उसने अपना प्लान पूरा कर लिया था. So he was so much happy, and now he said he relaxed because he spilled out all the cans of paints. So he was relaxed now, and then there is no danger. He said, ठीक है, अब कोई danger नहीं, अब कोई खतरा नहीं है. Come here and I will paint you. And Crow didn't know that only black paint of can is remaining. So Peacock said, come here my friend, I will paint you, but the paint has always spilled. The Crow pointed out, what shall we do now? Crow was very worried because all cans of paint were spilled out. So he said that all paint spilled out. Now what can we do? There is one can left, said the Peacock. Purposely he left only black paint of can. So he said that there is one can left, said the Peacock. Come here and I will paint you with it. We must hurry. Crow, my friend, come here fast because we must hurry and it's almost time for the wedding. We are getting late. So we should be hurry. And he started to paint. And after that, what will happen, we will see in next part. Thank you.